What is crypto art? Crypto art is a category of goods popularized by the rise of NFTs. Each piece of crypto art is a digital object, created, verified, and tracked on the blockchain. Unlike NFT collectibles that are mass-produced with hundreds of editions in circulation, and typically aren't created by the artist directly, a work of crypto art is a digital creation owned by a single person or wallet. In order to be a work of crypto art, the entire provenance of bids, sales, and previous collectors should be recorded on-chain. Each piece of art on SuperRare is minted and digitally signed by the artist. As soon as the artist sells the piece, the buyer or collector is registered as the new owner, and the piece shows up in their collection. When the collector sells the piece to a new buyer, the original artist earns royalties. Art is social. Many ask why someone would buy crypto art if anyone can just download the file. These concerns originate in the physical world, where ownership means deciding who can and who cannot see the object in your possession. But crypto art is inherently social. You can't control who will see your work or collection. Anyone can access it, view it, and even share it, but only you own it. Any reshare or repost simply increases the awareness, the discussion, and often the value. The new art economy. Until recently, digital artists had limited options for monetizing their creations, often depending on commissions, physical prints, and third parties for distribution. Now they can instantly publish work to a vast open market. Their art can reach larger audiences and be more adequately valued. NFTs mark a significant cultural shift in how we think about the value of digital art and its place in the world.